don't get to stare at my loaded gun. Put your phone away, I could have been someone. Meet me at the park near the old graveyard. We'll bury our love under a shallow moon and stars. It's a fleeting feeling in my mind. It's a rocket launch from another time. It's a 1930s silent film. It's a pack of cards, a broken ferris wheel. You don't get to choke on your words no more. A ribbon show starts at the old dance hall. I watch the colors move like an ocean wave. Her eyes lit up like a penny arcade. And I feel you coming back to life in a drawn-out winter, a cold July, saying how long can we live like this? I'm a proud man that's getting desperate. So if you call me out, I will settle down. It's a digital religion, and we're all worshipping now. So I will be a stone, a baby throw me out to sea, 'cause I know that the tide will bring me back to you someday. I'm too tired to be at your beck and call. I'm pretty sure your arrows missed me 20 years ago. But I'm no love fool, and you're no game of chess. By the fireside, I take off your dress, and I feel you coming back to life in a drawn-out winter, a cold July, saying how long can you live like this? I'm a paranoid, not a prophet. So if you call me out, I will settle down. It's a digital religion, and we're all worshipping now. So I will be a stone,